chicken fajita tostadas. It's not the time of the night to be cutting up anything. I shouldn't be cooking anything. Why on earth my hair looks the way it looks? I'm like slightly tempted to make myself some coffee when they have the day off tomorrow. Wait, can I open this? I do have the day off tomorrow. Don't touch it, don't dirty it, don't step in it, don't cook in it, don't think in it, don't eat in it. It's gonna be fun, I promise.
Outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up.
It's good to see you guys again, and it's good to be seen. Welcoming someone into your home, into your private life is always a little bit, weird. I recently went on a new journey in my world. I am now single. I don't have a lot to say about my divorce. It's probably wise that I don't say too much right now. I mourn the loss of my marriage. It is heartbreaking to watch your family divide and really unnerving to not know exactly where you're going next. That will be for us to explore. In the meantime, I do want to take you along the journey with me. What I'm bringing you tonight in this video is an honest representation of what single motherhood looks like. Yeah, each night looks a little bit different, but for the most part, it's a matter of cleaning up the house, getting the baby down for bed, cleaning up myself, and getting myself down for bed. It's a pretty simple process, but every night, like I said, looks a little different. Tonight, I haven't even eaten dinner yet. I have been planning for a much different kind of mommy night. I actually had planned to spend the evening with some friends, nachos and margarita night with friends. But my friends happen to be other adults and parents who have lives and situations of their own, unable, unfortunately, to join me. And then on top of that, unfortunately, I also didn't have any more nacho chips. So tonight's actually gonna be tostadas and margaritas. But that's fine, we're gonna just sip and talk. It's gonna be fun, I promise. I'm gonna put on a show for you guys. So, I always find the kind of nights where you do things a little bit unorthodox. They are the most memorable. Tonight, I am making chicken fajita tostadas. I'm going to do it up with all of the fixins, including some sour cream, salsa, lettuce, and cheese. Can't do it without that. I don't know how you live without onions. If you don't like onions, go somewhere with that, because you have to have onions. Nights getting canceled and spending nights alone tends to be the single motherhood motto. or experience or whatever. It's taken quite a few weeks, going on months of being a single mom, that I've noticed that being alone doesn't actually suck. There are its advantages and I enjoy them. And I'd like to share those with you guys. To be honest, the times where you really feel like you need company, it may be because you're missing something that's not just company. It might be something that you can figure out within yourself. One of the most exciting parts of having your own place for me is to have my own kitchen. To not have anyone messying the kitchen or, you know, marking the kitchen with their own tracks is incredible. I don't want anyone in my kitchen. Don't touch it, don't dirty it, don't step in it, don't cook in it, don't think in it, don't eat in it, and just don't be here. I am now in charge of whatever goes on in this home, whether we live here or don't, whether we pay the bills or we don't. Handling it all alone was never something I thought I would have to do. For a great majority of my coupled life, I didn't have a whole lot of time. When you're in a relationship, you give as much time as you can to that relationship, and with good reason. You hope that it's gonna work out. But when you're single, you do not have to dedicate time to something hoping that it's going to give you what you want in the future. You get to just kind of know you are gonna do what is best with that time. Whether if you spend it with yourself, spend it talking on the phone, spend it making a YouTube video. And I don't know, I'm grateful for that time. I'm going to show you me making a late night dinner. That's what single parents do when they have the day off tomorrow. I do have the day off tomorrow. That's what we do. What I honestly find to be one of the most comforting things with this interesting time period in my life is to spend the nights talking to family. Tonight I'm talking to you guys, but any other night, you name it, I'm talking to my sister or my mom or my dad, or watching a TV show that literally feels like family. If you know that you're not alone, you're gonna do whatever is best for yourself, not whatever is best for survival. Before I put it on top of my tostada, I want to also make me some mushrooms. Weird, but they're going bad and I don't want to lose out on using up my mushrooms before they go bad. I smell them, they're still good. I really just am being lazy and I don't feel like actually cutting up anything. I already cut up all that chicken. It's just not the time of the night to be cutting up anything. I shouldn't be cooking anything. I'm like slightly tempted to make myself some coffee. I'm not going to, I'm just saying. How can you not want to make coffee when it's like sitting there in front of your face? Okay. I'm gonna make sure to put some reheated fajita meat, some cheese, lettuce, sour cream, and salsa. Oh, that's the margaritas. This one is the softest, so I'm also gonna cut up an avocado. So I'm gonna have some like really amazing chicken fajita tostadas. I'm excited. I'm going to use plastic plate today because I don't feel like doing dishes. If I want to throw this away, I can. So. As if that didn't happen. It's gonna be really funny to watch on repeat. It's gonna be really funny. I'm gonna put some I want to explain why on earth my hair looks the way it looks. I haven't retwisted it. I plan on retwisting it tonight. This is freshly washed hair. It smells delightful. It feels delightful. I just don't have it looking delightful because I haven't retwisted it, which I was supposed to include in this video, but I don't think that's gonna happen because it's after 12 in the morning, and after I eat, I'm more than likely just going to kerplop. But for tonight, my hair will look crazy, and I can cover it up. So this is just throw it up when I'm taking ponytails. Gotta keep ice reached off. Okay. We're gonna microwave this just for a second. Wait, can I open this? Jalapenos! I forgot about these.
Que le escupa en la boca, una mordida en la... Corre que entonces pone loca, quiere que yo se la ponga. Yo te voy a dar en el carrito boom boom, o vamos a hotel y yo rento un room. Anda apretadita y yo quebro el condón, anda mojadita y ya viene zoom zoom. Hacemos chaca chaca con la boca, Juana la cubana bien bonita. Se viene en la noche, la saca en la mañana. Esconde a tu tía porque también tiene ganas. Que le
Until
escupa en la
next
boca,
time, guys, stay well.
una mordida en la... Corre que entonces pone loca, quiere que yo se la ponga.